Welcome to Storyboards. In this video, I will show you how to add data filters to a visualization. Let's open a sample storyboard in edit mode. Data filters are not interactive, but rather applied once to the visualization data where you add it. This way, storyboard consumers can work with already filtered visualization. Let's say you want to exclude the first 2 months of 2017 from the visualization view. To do that, open Widget Settings, then in the Data section, click Filters next to the dataset. Here we can add a condition. For the sales date column, which is after February 28th, 2017, click Apply. The icon becomes colored to indicate this visualization is filtered. Notice there are no January and February in the view anymore. To edit the filter, click Filters and add a new condition. For example, we want to display only the mall store type. For that, I will use the equals operator and enter mall. You can also add a group of conditions for more complex cases. Now apply the filter and visualize again. As a result, the area chart shows only mall for the specified dates. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.